Hi then guys, my name is Abubakar Zakari and this is the Dev Masters YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can enable the YouTube plugin for your Django CkEditor. So for you to be able to follow along in this project, you have to have watched the previous videos in the series because this video is one of the videos in my Django CkEditor series. So even if you've not watched all, at least you must have watched the previous one, as is in the previous one I explained how you can add a video uploading functionality to your text editor, that is to the Django CkEditor. So what do I mean? If you follow along, you should have this icon right here. So within this icon, you can upload videos into your, let's say, your blog or whatever, that's to your front end through the text editor. So for example, like this video right here, it was uploaded using the HTML5 plugin. So as you can see, playing fine. So let's just get on right onto it. So to use the YouTube plugin, first of all, you have to go and download the YouTube plugin for CkEditor. Now I'll leave a link down to this in the description. So click on it, then scroll down. Okay, this is for the width, the heights, responsive. All right, so you just scroll down and then you click on download. Download will begin automatically. I've already downloaded it before, so I won't download it again. So after you've done that, what you need to do now is to go to your downloads folder, go to the location of the, okay, this is it right here. So this is what you just downloaded. It's not even big, it's just 28.8 kilobytes. So what you have to do next is to copy it, then go to your projects, as the directory for your projects. Okay, that's us here. And you go to the static folder. Now, like I said, if you watch the previous video, I explained how you will set it up for CkEditor to be able to use external plugins. So like in the previous video, I'm just going to go to plugins folder right here, and okay, let me see. All right, okay, let's see. The best thing, first of all, copy it to a separate folder. Let's say something like this. Create a new folder for it, just somewhere random in your system, so that you can extract it. Now you don't need all of this. What you just need is this one right here. Yes, okay, so now you copy this, then now you go to your projects directory, that's your Django project directory, that's right here. You go to the static folder, CkEditor, go to plugins, then you paste it right here. Okay, that has been done. Then you go to your project settings.py and you add the YouTube plugin. As you can see, this is from the former video. We added the HTML5 video plugin, and this is it right here as well. Follow the same process. So this place you just add in, if I'm not mistaken, is YouTube. Let me see. Okay, yeah, it's YouTube. So just add in the plugin name, which in this case is YouTube. Let's spell YouTube correctly. Yeah, okay. So after you've added it, you save it. Now this is how our text editor looks now. Now this is from the previous video. In previous videos I showed you how you can enable, in case you guys are surprised or want to know how this is done, how you can enable CkEditor for the front end. I also explained how you can enable code snippets and add code highlights to your projects. So okay, let's move on. So as you can see, this is what our text editor looks now. If I refresh it, if everything is successful, we should now see the YouTube plugin as well, the YouTube icon. That's it right here. As you can see, This icon is for the YouTube plugin. So okay, you need to add the video URL. Let me go and get one of my videos. So this is the link for the video. Copy it, come back here, and then you paste it in this place. Obviously this one is for controlling the width, this is for controlling the heights, this is to make it responsive. Yeah, and imaging, you can play around with these customizations or configurations, sorry. Okay, so then you just click on OK. As you can see, it's been added. Let me submit it so that it will show up on the front end. Example YouTube video. Okay, then let's see. Submit. I really need to. I'm coming. Let me quickly stop this. I don't know why it's auto playing. Where's the video? Okay, I think this is it. Maybe it's becoming annoying. I think autoplay is on. Okay, let me shut it off. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. It's been turned off now. So okay, let me go to page again. So as you can see, this is our YouTube video. Can you see? You click on it, you can play it. It would a normal
okay,
YouTube
hello
video.
guys, welcome to the DevMisters YouTube. You'll
That's
be
me.
able to use the CkEditor.
Okay, so this was the first video in the series. That's the introduction video. Okay, so I think that's everything. You guys can play around with these configurations to control the, let me see, okay, to control the width, the height. This for the alignment, enable scroll bars, title, okay, ID style. Wow, okay, you guys can play around with all those configurations, but that's all for now, because yeah, so that's all for now. So in this video I've been able to explain how you can enable the YouTube plugin for your Django CkEditor project. So in the next video I'm going to show you guys how you can add a copy to clipboard functionality. That's for your code snippet section. That's how you'll be able to click on a button right here so that you copy the code, and I'm sure that you guys have seen it in some blogs. So I will show you how you can enable this feature for your Django CkEditor. So as always, thanks for watching. Please do like and do like this video and subscribe to the channel. It will go a long way in helping my channel to grow, so that I will continue to bring you guys more content. So till next time,